Hi bro,
Hey man, what's up?
you seem to be excited.
I have a lot of reasons to be excited. You've heard about Yenepoya University, right?
The one in Mangalore, right?
Of course, there is one in Bangalore, but big news, there is a new campus that is coming in Bangalore. It's situated in BharatiyaCity, and I'm not talking about just any campus. This campus is a fully high-tech with so many amenities, and I'm just going through all the amenities. Do you want to check out?
Yeah.
How did you like it? And by the way, all these amenities, facilities are there inside the campus. Yes, I was also going through their course list, and my god, this university has to offer so many programs ranging from engineering to management studies to physiotherapy, psychology, and so much more.
So how did you find out about all this?
Oh, well, recently I attended this All India Meetup, Bridge 2023. There, Yenepoya University was the main sponsors, and that's how I got to know about it. And speaking about all of this, right now I have this urge to check out all these facilities on the campus and ultimately choose a course that I love the most. You can join me too. What are you waiting for? Come on, let's go.